How to use the Builderall Cheetah Builder. In this video, I'm going to show you the basic stuff you need to know so you can do pretty much anything you want in the Cheetah Builder. Okay? So I'm Emrys. I use the Cheetah Builder for all my websites, my landing pages, everything. I'm super into Builderall. I use it for everything. I canceled all my other software. So I'm all about this. So what you're going to want to do is click, in the last video I showed you how to get a template or start a new website. Now you should have it set up. If not, go back and watch that video. And then you're going to want to click Edit Page here. Now it'll take like a minute to load up this editor. I preloaded it here. So okay, so let me start with the basics. Okay, so everything in the background is a panel. This is a panel. This header, this wooden thing in the background, that's a panel. So all the backgrounds, those are panels. Everything that sits on top of the panels, like here, these are called elements. So the text is elements, the pictures are elements. Okay? And you can move any element just by clicking and dragging it around on the panel. And it knows what panel it's on because of that blue outline. Alright? Now, to change text, it's always just, if you want to change what's written, you double click the text. It's always like that. Then you can type whatever you want after you double click it. You can change it. You can highlight it. You can adjust the font size. You can change the background color. You can add a link. It's really pretty basic stuff. Now, they're coming out with an undo feature later, but for now, what you want to do is just don't save it if you don't like what you did. And if you like your progress so far, I usually save it every 5 minutes or 10 minutes or so by clicking the save button up here. Okay, so any other element, you don't double click on it, you just click on it once. And then, if you see this little ball, you can drag it around. It's all real self-explanatory. You can put a link here by clicking set link, and if you click this edit button, it'll bring up this side menu. So if I click on the logo and click edit, it'll bring up this side menu. If you have this side menu closed and you click on it, it'll bring it up like right next to it. Okay. Now you can, here I'm on the panel. I can drag that around if I want to. All right. So let's say I want to change a picture. Basically, you click on it, it brings up the menu on the side here, and then it's all real self-explanatory. You want to change the size, you can do it that way, or by clicking this ball. You want to change the border. There it is. Everything is like right here. So you just kind of go through and you can play with these and decide what you want to mess with. Okay, and then you can actually drag anything anywhere. You're not limited, unlike most builders, which is really cool. So let me give you an example of changing something. So I'll just click this, and then I'll click on the edit element. And then over here, I'll go to general settings, and I'll change the image. Okay, and then I'll select a file, and then I'll just upload a picture here, and then click save, and there, my picture's in there. Now, if I like that, I can save my progress up here by clicking save, and I can either publish it to the internet immediately, or I can say not now. If I say that's fine, it's going up online like right now. Okay. Now the main other thing you need to know is if you want to add anything, you're going to open up this menu here and then click add. And if you click panels, there you have all these different types of panels. You click what kind that you want, like say testimonials, and you can modify these in any way you can imagine. So you just click the one that's kind of close to where you want to start. You just left click it once, and it'll add that to the bottom of the page. So that's how you add a panel. If you want to remove anything, you click on it, and you click the trash to delete it, or the eyeball to hide it, and you can bring it back from up here later. Okay, so that added the panel to the bottom. Now I can click on that, and then I can click order panels, and I can drag it to where I want, and then click move, and that's how I could raise it up to a different position. And as far as elements go, it's the same. You're going to go up here, you're going to click add element, you're going to choose whatever element that you want to add, and in this case you're going to actually drag it onto a panel.